Okay, so my voice is audible to all of you.
Yes,
Just
sir.
respond. Okay. Now I hope my PPT is also visible to all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before that, uh, basically this PPT had been prepared for the one of the lecture. I have not changed here, right? But no problem. Just I'm okay. So this is the lecture of on the process dynamics and control. So why this subject is important? What is the process dynamics and why the term process dynamics and control has been coined together? Because process dynamics is entirely different from the control. So why in the subject the process dynamics and control has been coined together is the question. And along with this, the question arises here also why I have written ABCD of process dynamics and control. So it is a very specific reason why we have written the ABCD of the process dynamics control. It is not. It has a two reason. First of all, this is the introductory course of the process dynamics. Therefore, it is the basic written as a ABCD. And second reason is the when you go through the control theory, uh, then when you go through the control theory, the state space equation especially, then you have encountered one of the term state space parameters. I hope you have already gone through in the previous semester of the state space. Please respond. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am audible. Manjit.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So can anyone tell me why I have chosen the topic, the title ABCD of process dynamics and control? Is it anyone? Please. Please. I already told you all your marks is based on your interaction, mainly interaction. Whatever you interact with me, that is your marks. That will reflect on your internal marks.
स्टेट स्पेस वेरिएबल्स होते हैं ए बी एंड सी डी
ABCD स्टेट स्पेस वेरिएबल्स होते हैं ABCD. तो ये ABCD क्या है, कोई बता सकता है? व्हाट इज इनफैक्ट ये स्टेट स्पेस वेरिएबल है क्या? व्हाट इज दिस ABCD? हाउ दिस स्टेट स्पेस, व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ फॉर द स्टेट स्पेस? एनीवन? एनीवन? नो? स्टेट स्पेस पढ़ा था कि नहीं पढ़ा था? यस और नो? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. हाँ या ना तो बोल दो कम से कम.
सर ये कुछ पहले का डिफरेंशिएशन प्लस कांस्टेंट, फिर ऐसे मतलब एक सीरीज ऑफ वेरिएबल्स था और उसको एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करके पिछले वाले से ऐड कर देते थे, शायद यही सब होता था.
नहीं ऐसा. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो वी विल सी व्हाई वी हैव व्हाट इज द रीजन for choosing the title ABCD of process or ABCD of process dynamics and control, right? So it has specific reason. So in this, and what is question now? Question is why is the process dynamics, and why we associate the control term with process dynamics in our subject, right? So process dynamics in the actually whatever you as a instrumentation and control engineer, your target is to control some parameters in the of the some equipments in the industry, right? And whenever you go to control the some parameters in the of the some equipments, let's say this is the one of the stir tank react heater, as you can see here, and let's say your target is to control the some temperature, okay, inside the tank. So this tank system, this overall the system is one of the equipment installed in some of the industries. And this equipment is one of the process, okay, and in order to control the process of some let's say you are going to control the temperature, or let's say you are going to control the some flow level, whatever, right? So in order to control the actual control of that parameters, you need to some development of some transfer function or some process model. That model is known as the dynamics, right? That model is known as the dynamics. So that process model is known as dynamics. In order to develop that dynamics usually is the first order differential equation, right? First order differential equation. And further you will calculate or compute the transfer function of that process dynamics based on that process dynamics, whatever you develop. So can anyone tell me what is the transfer function? I'm waiting. What is the transfer function? Just respond in a second. Yes. Who is it?
Laplace, Pranjul.
Pranjul.
So the Laplace transform of the output divided by the Laplace transform of the input signal, taking initial conditions as 0.
Okay. Why we are taking initial condition 0? What happened when you are not taking the initial condition 0?
Sir, we don't know about initial conditions.
Huh? Why we are taking the initial condition 0? In order to calculate the your the process the transfer function. Anyone?
सर हम सिस्टम को लीनियर मान के चल रहे होते हैं.
हाँ, ठीक है. तो
फिर सर तो लीनियर में सर हमें सिर्फ हमें जीरो इनपुट रिस्पांस को जीरो मान के चलते हैं. हमें सिर्फ जीरो स्टेट रिस्पांस को कंसीडर करते हैं फिर.
हाँ, दिस इज द रीजन. So if you are not taking the initial condition 0, it means your system will be nonlinear. Pramod?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. We will discuss also. We will discuss this problem also later. Right. So what happened when the system, when we are not considering the initial condition 0, right? So our question is here, we are discussing that what is the process, what are the dynamics. So in order to develop some mathematical model for the process, we are writing some equation from relating the input and output. And that relation is usually a differential equation, first order differential equation. Okay. Why it is first order differential equation? Because we are going to introduce some accumulation inside this, and accumulation is always written in the terms of the first order differential equation, right? Okay, we will see later. Now, this is the process dynamics. We have discussed what are the process dynamics. Now, what is the control? Why we are associating the control into the process dynamics? So the control is here. Why we are discussing this one? Because let's say we are going to control some parameters here in this picture, in this PPT. In this case, we are going to control the temperature of inside the tank. Okay, inside the tank of the tank, right? So for that purpose, we have chosen. Let's say first of all we are going to measuring the temperature of this the water, whatever the fluid inside the tank, right? And whatever the desired temperature is here, desired temperature, let's say we want the temperature 20 degrees Celsius set value of this tank, not increased or not less than the 20 degree. We are going to fix the temperature. We are going to fix the temperature 20 degrees Celsius of this tank, right? So in order to that, first of all, we are going to measure that temperature of the tank, whatever the actual temperature is that, and we are going to minus the desired temperature from the measured temperature. Okay, whatever the temperature will be there, that system is the feedback basically. Okay, and whatever the feedback system and the measuring the actual temperature will given, that will minus, and that minus temperature will be controlled by one of the controller, that is the PID controller or whatever the different controller we will use. And you have learned in the previous semester about some controllers. Okay, and this control signals will be sent to the final control element, that is the actuator, and that actuator will in the real time that will open or that will the close. Based on that, the parameters will going to control. Okay, so this is the in this picture, the electrical power or steam is given to the tank so that the temperature will going to rise or going to the decrease, right? And this is the W and Ti is the flow rate of and temperature, flow rate and temperature of the fluid, and WTI is air, the flow rate and Ti temperature of the output of the fluid, right? So this is the system. So any doubt in this PPT, in this slide?
सर इसी पूरे को हम प्रोसेस बोल रहे हैं
इस पूरे को प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं. Yes. And what the dynamic?
और
Whatever we write the equation in order to control, क्योंकि तुमको कंट्रोल करने के लिए तुमको एग्जैक्ट डायनेमिक्स जरूरत पड़ेगी, ट्रांसफर फंक्शन जरूरत पड़ेगा, राइट? और ट्रांसफर फंक्शन के बिना यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू सपोज टू कंट्रोल, राइट? सो यू हैव टू डेवलप द डायनेमिक्स फॉर द सिस्टम, द डायनेमिक्स फॉर द प्रोसेस. ओके, तो अब उसके बाद हम कंट्रोल थियरी को देखेंगे, कैसे वो कंट्रोल टेक्निक्स काम करेगा. कंट्रोलर का भी एक अपना डायनेमिक्स होगा. Controller itself have one dynamics, right? We will write the dynamics. Let's say the PID controller we are going to introduce. So for the PID controller, the PID, okay, integrating term, derivative term, and the proportional term is there. And we have already seen the transfer function for the PID controller, right? You know. And the actuator has also one dynamics. Let's say we are going to introduce the linear actuator. In that case, or let's say we are going to introduce the non-linearly final control element actuator. In that case, the dynamics of that system is different, right? We will combine all the dynamics together, and we will see what will happen. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, you can see here in this block diagram, I reduces the complexity of the first process, and we are trying to represent the system into the block diagram. Okay, so the dynamics, you can see my cursor. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
I'm moving my
Yes,
cursor.
sir.
You can see now.
Yes, sir.
So you can see here the process is here. You can write your dynamics here. Okay, whatever the dynamics is of the process is here. Let me suppose one of the dynamics is here, right? I'm not writing the dynamics, but let's say there is some dynamics will be there, right? So let's say the temperature is going to control. T is the temperature control parameters. Okay, we are just measuring this temperature. We are giving the some temperature set point, desired temperature. We have taken the minus, negative feedback is there. This is the negative feedback, and we have already said in what is the feedback system. Feedback system inside the feedback system. This is the basically a transducer or the measuring element. Okay, feedback system is nothing. Feedback is only for the measurement purpose. Okay, or that is the we already discussed these things in the previous semester, right? So this is for the measurement. Okay, whatever the measured value is there, we have minus from the desired value. Whatever the error is generated based on this TR minus TM, this error will send to the controller. Okay, and this controller is either the PID controller, PI controller, PD controller, fuzzy controller, neural network based controller, tuning, any type of the nature inspired optimization, whatever the controller is there. Let's say the main controller is PID. Okay, so this PID controller is sent to the signal in order to control this error. Okay, so your target is to minimize this error. Your target is to minimize this error, and in order to that minimize error, you are going to design a controller in very fine, right? So that for that purpose, we are going to choose Ziegler-Nicholas or Cohen-Kuhn method for the tuning purpose of the controller. So we already seen in the previous semester in the PID controller, there is some parameters Kp, tau I, tau d, Kp, tau I, tau d, right? And for the Kp, tau I, tau d, we are going to tune that value, okay, for the fine control, right? So for that purpose, the controller is sent the signals to the final control element. Final control element is nothing but the actuator, okay? Or this actuator is based on the controller signal. It will act physically and going to close or going to open the valve, okay, of any flow. Let's say in this case, the steam is going to flow inside the tank, okay? So what amount of the steam will enter into the process, this will decide by the controller, okay, or the final control finally the final control element, okay, and the whole complete the process will complete in order to control. Now what is the TI now? So TI is one of the external disturbance, that is the load. We will discuss it in the more generic way after some time. So here it is, it's the external load or external disturbance, you can say here, for the system, right? Any question you can maybe ask in this specific slide. You can ask any query, anyone, if you have. May I proceed? Yes or no?
सर यही पूछ रहे थे कि मतलब किस पार्ट को हम लोग प्रोसेस बोल रहे थे,
किस
मतलब
पार्ट
yes,
को प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं हम? प्रोसेस कह रहे हैं टैंक को।
अच्छा,
हम टैंक को कह रहे हैं प्रोसेस जिसका हमें कंट्रोल करना है, जिसका टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल करना है, वही प्रोसेस है, ठीक है? अब उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए हमें डिफरेंट इक्विपमेंट, डिफरेंट आइटम्स हमें यूज करना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो हमें क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा? सबसे पहले हमें मेजरिंग एलिमेंट लाना पड़ेगा टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए, फ्लो को मेजर करने के लिए, प्रेशर को मेजर करने के लिए कि प्रोसेस का प्रेशर कितना है। तो हमें उसके लिए सेंसर जरूरत पड़ेगी, ट्रांसड्यूसर जरूरत पड़ेगी, राइट? दैट विल बी द मेजरिंग एलिमेंट। उसके बाद हमें उसको जो आपका सेट पॉइंट, आपको कितना प्रेशर होना चाहिए, उस टैंक में कितना प्रेशर होना चाहिए, कितना टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए, कितना फ्लो रेट होना चाहिए, क्या उसका पैरामीटर्स है डिफरेंट, वो हमने सेट पॉइंट में कर दिए, राइट? ये डिफरेंट थिंग हो गया। प्रोसेस केवल आपका वो टैंक है, बॉयलर है, टेम्परेचर इवापोरेटर है, समझ में आ रहा है? टैंक है,
यस सर।
ओके? एनी डाउट फर्दर?
नो सर।
Okay. So now you can see here, and when we talk about the load and the set point, and when we are going to control the process, so how the control is going to be implemented in order to control the process. So for that purpose, this is the blending process basically. I have taken the example of the blending process. You can see here, there are two figures. Blending, this is the blending system. So you can see the X1 and W1. X1 is the concentration of any salt, whatever we are going to mix into this tank from this side, and X2 is the concentration going to enter from this side. Okay, both the concentration, first of all, you try to understand process dynamics and control theory is purely mathematical subject, and after one or two lecture we are going to just we're taking a very typical type of numerical problem, right? So it is my suggestion to all of the students, just whatever I am going to teach in the class, just revise these things, and the books is available. That book I want to suggest you the book. The one book is Kafner and second book is Seaborg. Okay, one book is Kafner, Coughnor, Kafner, and second book is Seaborg. Okay, Seaborg. So try to solve the unsolved problem of Kafner as well as Seaborg for your final exam. Okay. Now I am coming to the slide. So X1 W1 is the concentration and flow rate. That concentration and flow rate is going to enter from this side in figure 1, and X2 W2 is the concentration and flow rate of any salty water, whatever is going to enter in this tank from this side, as my cursor is going to move. Okay, both the salt X A and B, let's say, is going to mix inside the tank, and this is the blender. This will blend both the salt so that the concentration of X1 and X2 when mixed, the new concentration X is going to out, or we are taking as a product as out from the outlet. The final concentration is X and the flow rate is W. Okay, the flow rate is W and the concentration is X. Now our target is to control the concentration. Okay, whatever we want some concentration from from the mixture. Let's say we are going to prepare some dairy products, let's say chocolate. So we are going to mix some milk and some chocolate products, that is the chocobar, let's say, that is the one type of sweets, and both are mixing, and let's say we are going to we want some concentration from that chocolate, and that concentration, let's say X. In order to control that concentration X, we will measuring first the concentration of this output of the flow, and for that purpose we are using the composition analyzer for this for the measurement of that concentration, that is represented by AT. Okay, analyzer transmitter. Okay, analyzer transmitter is this one. Okay, so this is one of the transducer. So this signal, the signal is passing to the some controller. We can see from this here some desired temperature minus measured temperature, that will provide the error. Okay, and this error, okay, on this automatic controller, just there are some, you know, there are some desired concentration is also. Based on that, the automatic controller, that is the analyzer controller, will act, okay, and control the flow of this X2 concentration flow, right? Based on this composition controller, the control valve will act as per the opening or the closing of this flow, right? So that this signal is controlled. Okay, so this signal, you can say the dot form, this is the electrical signal, because this is the analyzer transmitter. Analyzer transmitter is one of, you know, the transducer, and transducer is always introducing or generating the electrical signal, you know. Okay, so this is the electrical signal. However, the control valve will act in the pneumatic signal. Okay, it is the pneumatic signal. Control valve always acting on the pneumatic signal because it's a physical form, right? So it is the feedback signal, feedback control system, as we can see from this type of problem. Okay, is there any question you want to ask? Otherwise, I will ask. Do you have any question? रामायण कथा सुन रहा है सब कि कुछ समझ में भी आ रहा है?
सर इन दोनों सिस्टम में से हम प्रेफर किसको करते हैं और उसका रीजन क्या है?
कौन से सिस्टम में?
सर इन दोनों जो ब्लेंडिंग सिस्टम ने देखे ना अभी,
एक ही तो बताया मैंने, दूसरा तो बताया नहीं मैंने अभी।
सर
तो
बताया नहीं।
हाँ,
ये सर पर वैसे ही पूछा मैंने सर।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड, ठीक है। और एनी अदर क्वेरी? Any other query? Gupta ji, Pranshul Gupta, are you there? Piyush Gupta, ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम है।
यस सर, यस सर।
हाँ, बताइए गुप्ता जी।
प्रांशुल नहीं है सर, पीयूष हूँ।
हाँ पीयूष, बताओ।
हाँ जी सर।
एनी क्वेश्चन?
नहीं सर, ये तो समझ में आ गया, बस अभी डिफरेंस देखेंगे तो फिर वो पता
अच्छा, ठीक है, ओके। In the second example, we are going to control the same concentration of the second flow rate, that is W2. We are placing the control valve in the same place, but the technique is different to control that, you know, the blending purpose. यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? यहाँ पर हम लोग X1 से कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं X2 को, X1 से X2 को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, जबकि यहां पर हम प्रोडक्ट से कंट्रोल कर रहे थे X2 को. In the first problem, we are going to control the X2 W2 flow with the help of the product flow or product concentration. However, in the second example, we can see here we are going to control the flow rate or X2 concentration of the second flow rate using the first concentration, using the flow rate of the first concentration, flow rate of the first product that is going to enter into the blend system. For that purpose, can we do like that also? Yes or no? X1 and W1 is the flow rate or concentration of the first salt that is going to enter the first tank, into the tank, and we have measured the concentration of the X1, and based on that, what amount is needed to the blind system that will be sent to the signal to the controller, and that controller will generate a signal and send to the control valve, and based on that signal the control valve will open or close and X2 concentration will be controlled. Right? Any question?
सर यहाँ पे हम x1 w1 जो हमारा है पहले से प्रेजेंट है और सिर्फ हम कंट्रोल x2 w2 को कर रहे हैं ना।
हाँ, X2 W2 कर रहे हैं X1 और W1 के फ्लो रेट से। अगर W1 का फ्लो रेट अगर चेंज हो रहा है, लेट से हमें W1 का फ्लो रेट अगर 60 kg पर आवर के हिसाब से जा रहा है, और अगर हम उसको मेजर कर लें कि 60 kg पर आवर है ये हमारा, और तो उसके हिसाब से X को बनाने के लिए X2 की जरूरत कितनी पड़ेगी, उसके हिसाब से कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है, या सुनो?
यस सर।
मतलब सिर्फ हम x2 को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं।
दोनों
X2 और
दोनों कंडीशन में X2 को ही कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं।
ओके।
In both the case, we are going to control the X2 with the help of the flow rate W2, so that we can get the concentration X. Any question? Any question?
सर डिफरेंस बता दो एक बार फिर से।
हाँ, सॉरी,
डिफरेंस एक बार फिर बता दो।
ये बात फिर से बताया जाए।
सर जो सेकंड सिस्टम है वो फीड फॉरवर्ड कंट्रोल हो गया ना?
कौन बताया? कौन है ये बंदा? Who is this gentleman?
पार्थ सर।
पार्थ। ओके। फीड फॉरवर्ड कंट्रोल सिस्टम क्या होता है, पहले तो ये बताएं आप। पार्थ, वेरी गुड।
सर
I want the answer from your side. और पार्थ ने ये बात बताई, मैं चाह रहा था कि आप लोग कोई ना कोई बोले और आपने बताया। What is roll number पार्थ? Okay, 52. हाँ, तो what is the, अब now question is, what is the feed forward control? What is the feed forward? Anyone other? हाँ,
सर जब हम कोई सिस्टम में इनपुट दे रहे हैं और उसी इनपुट को हम एज अ फीडबैक यूज कर रहे हैं कंट्रोलर में, जो हमारा मेन कंट्रोलर यूनिट है, तो हम मतलब इनपुट का ही मतलब वो फीडबैक दे रहे हैं कंट्रोलर में, तो उसको हम लोग फीड फॉरवर्ड करते हैं।
Okay.
और आउटपुट का कंट्रोलर में देते हैं फीडबैक, तो फिर वो फीडबैक होता है।
Okay. So which one is the feedback and which one is the figure one?
सर वो तो फीड फॉरवर्ड तो सेकंड है ना?
अच्छा, figure 2 is the feed forward control, however the figure 1 is the feedback control. Am I right?
Yes sir.
Huh?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Very good, very good. You are right. So the figure 1, in figure 1, whenever you are taking the product, you can see from this picture, when you are taking the signal from the product side and going to control this by this is the feedback system. However, in this side, whatever the input is going to, in this picture, in the X1 and W1, in the figure 1, X1 and W1 is acting as a TI load. X1 and W1 is acting as a TI load, right? And whenever you're going to control, whenever you're measuring this, जैसे डिस्टर्बेंस आना है सिस्टम में, उससे पहले ही उसको कंट्रोल कर लिया आपने, दैट इज द फीडबैक कंट्रोल। आई एम रिपीटिंग वंस अगेन, डिस्टर्बेंस के आने से पहले इनपुट साइड से आपने उसको मेजर करके आपने कंट्रोल पैरामीटर को कंट्रोल कर लिया। अब यहां पर अगर हम टीआई लोड को समझा जाए X1 एंड W1, और इसी को अगर हम मेजर कर ले किसी भी कंट्रोल, किसी भी मैंने वो स्लाइड पेन नहीं लिया है यार, तो आप इसी का मैं कल से यूज करूंगा पेन, लेकिन फिर भी मैं कोशिश करता हूं पॉइंटर ऑप्शन से। अगर मैं इसको यहां से इसको मैं मेजर करूं, लेट से मैं इसको मेजर कर लूं किसी भी सेंसर से, राइट, इसको अगर मैं मेजर कर लूं और मेजर करने के बाद सेम अगर मैं यहां से एक सेंसर कंट्रोलर को भेजा जाए, कंट्रोलर यही है हमारा, राइट, एक हम लोग मेजर वैल्यू दे दें जिसमें एक आपका सेट पॉइंट आ जाए, राइट, वॉट एवर द सेट पॉइंट इज देयर, एंड सेंसर विल प्रोवाइड द मेजर्ड वैल्यू एंड दिस विल सेंड टू द कंट्रोलर एंड दिस विल जनरेट, दिस विल कंट्रोल द सिस्टम अगेन, वंस अगेन। यही तो सिस्टम है ये सेकंड वाला। यस और नो? यस और नो? यही तो सिस्टम है ये। गरिमा, गरिमा,
यस सर, यस सर।
ये क्या लग रहा है आपको? सेकंड सिस्टम क्या है?
सर
सेकंड सिस्टम और
फीड
फर्स्ट कभी
फॉरवर्ड
मैंने
लग रहा
बताया
है।
ये सिस्टम में क्या है?
सर डिस्टेंस,
क्या डिस्टर्बेंस?
सर एक मिनट,
कौन
सर
बताएगा?
फीड फॉरवर्ड का एफिशिएंसी ज्यादा होगा ना फिर इससे फीडबैक से।
सॉरी, फीड फॉरवर्ड का एक्यूरेसी ज्यादा होगा फीड फॉरवर्ड से, आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं?
फीड फॉरवर्ड का ज्यादा होगा फीडबैक से।
ओके, चलो ये भी देखेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे which one is a more accurate, feed forward or feedback. But just to try to understand what is the difference between the feedback and the feed forward system. This is simply the feed forward system. Feed forward system. However, this is the feed forward, right? This is the feed forward. However, this is the feedback. This is the feedback, nothing else. So today we have discussed the two techniques, the two configuration in the control system. First one is the feedback system. Second one the feed forward control system. Other thing we have to understanding what is the process dynamics and process control system. Why the controller control word is associated with the process dynamics. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss the and why we are going to discuss the process dynamics. The question is why we are going to study the process dynamics. Okay, so we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow my lecture is at 10:30. Okay, 10:30. So thank you very much. कोई डाउट है पूछ सकते हैं? नो? सो वी स्टॉप हियर।
सर वैसे एक जनरल डाउट था।
हाँ बोलो।
जैसे जो प्रोसेस जो चलती है उसमें हम 13 to 15 PSIG क्यों यूज करते हैं, मतलब पर्टिकुलर वही।
वेरी गुड, इसका भी जवाब मिलेगा आपको जब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कंट्रोल वाल्व। ठीक है, जब कंट्रोल वाल्व पर हम डिस्कस करेंगे मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ। वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, कंट्रोल वाल्व में है वो, अभी आपके पास वो आएगा। ये तो आपका PID कंट्रोलर हो गया, और कंट्रोलर के बाद हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे ट्यूनिंग हो गया। ट्यूनिंग के बाद ये देखिए यहाँ पर, ये देखिए है ना क्वेश्चन, 4 to 20 मिली एम्पियर and why we are going to use 3 to 15 psi, 0.2 to 1.0 bar, right? 4 to 20 milliampere. We will discuss in details after some time. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. We will discuss these things. ठीक है? हर चीज का जवाब मिलेगा. Don't worry. Any other question coming to the mind? Here? Because it is a very cute, but it is a basic, basic course of the process control, process dynamics. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आएंगे दिमाग में, यू कैन आस्क। आप जो जितने मशीन लर्निंग, जितना भी ऑप्टिमाइजेशन टेक्निक्स आपके दिमाग में आ रहा होगा, हम कंट्रोल में कैसे यूज करेंगे, उसको भी यूज करना है हमें। ठीक है, तो वो सब भी आपके क्वेश्चन है, हो सकते हैं। ठीक है, चलो फिर, ओके, थैंक यू।